Yo, good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining me today on another session of Morning Hype with Mr.Stacks. Right now, we're seeing some green in the market as some of our choice picks are, moving to the upside here. We did end up picking up a couple of other ones we've had on the watch list that we've covered before, and we also have some of our favorites as well on here. But we've been seeing a lot of volume over the last week or so on some of these stocks, and I kind of wanted to point them out, letting y'all know that, we may be looking to take a position on some of these if we aren't already in the others, but so many to choose from. I like to play day trading, in and out. So some of these stocks I jump in and jump out just to make some money, but I do also have some of these other ones that I've been riding for, a couple of weeks now. But all you new viewers out there, if you're new to the channel, we're trying to get you in the know as to some of these pre-breakout stocks, some of these ones looking to rally, looking to hit certain levels, looking to bring in some volume and to start to pop up, to some of these all-time highs. And I'm trying to put y'all in the know, and if that's something you want to learn about here as to how we strategize against, getting in and out of these shares, hey, well, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, be in the know every time I drop one of these videos, because we're trying to put money in your pocket. We're trying to share the love here with everybody and spread the wealth, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and dive right in it today. But right now we do have four of our top picks up on the charts for today that I kind of wanted to cover. Off the back, we do have BBIG, which is Vinco Ventures. We're also looking at Clov today, y'all, Clover Health. And I have some other ones that I ended up picking up today, which is ZEV, Lightning E-Motors, ZEV. And we're also looking at Camber Energy, which is CEI. This is one that we've been seeing pumping volume over the last few days. I don't really mess with too many of these stocks under $1, but knowing the volume continues to come in with as far as a license agreement on some new clean energy technology that they have, this has kind of been drawing a lot of interest. So I kind of wanted to just take a look at it, kind of fill y'all in as to how the chart's looking if y'all are looking to jump in some of these shares. But off the back, we do have BBIG, Vinco Ventures, man. This one started to make a comeback yesterday, into the closing market. We hit a low, coming down close to $6, maybe a little bit under $7, I believe. Looking back here, 681 or so, and then we just started to take off into the close yesterday. We hit up, about 1190, give or take, and then we started to see some resistance where we started to pull back into the 21-day moving average here. But as you can see, we're starting to pump up again. We're at a a level of 1130. We got to break through 1190 to continue to push higher. But man, they released some good news today as to their update on some of their mergers coming with Lemotive. And Lemotive is looking to partner up with Snapchat, y'all. So, Snapchat's a real popular app that everybody's in. Lemotive's on the come up, looking to compete with TikTok, and they're looking to do some big things here coming up here in the future. And this is causing the price a lot more interest to get jumped into the pile into the stock here. We're starting to hit these levels, looking for a breakout. I know we got some popular, people also tweeting about this stock on Twitter. Will Mead or whoever that guy is, some billionaire, he's saying he's long on this stock. That's kind of caused this to spike yesterday afternoon, and we're still holding that energy today. As you can see, we're still pushing up, hitting these highs, and we're looking for a breakout today, y'all. Is today going to be the day? We sure do hope so. We do got a massive amount of volume coming in already in the pre-market, about almost 20 million shares. Daily average right now is about 54 million. We're almost halfway, 50% in on our daily average. And yeah, we're looking to play this one out. We're riding it from a low, so we're already kind of doubling up from where we took a position. So we're feeling real good on where we're at right now. And if we can continue to push up, we're looking to take some profits. I'm not sure when, but we'll look for that resistance level on the pullback, and I'll be looking to take some profits there. Maybe get back in as we come back down. I'm not sure where this stock can go. We're looking maybe $15-20. Give or take. Right now we're just looking to pump. I'm not real sure on the level I'm looking to get out on. This is more of a short-term view that I'm looking at right now, but as we start to draw in and start to build and climb a little higher, I'll be looking for a price target a little bit above where we left off, around that 1190. But right now I'm looking about $15 on the low end, $20 on the high end for this stock to hit. If we can hit those levels, I'll be looking to take some profits around that time. But we're feeling real good about this one. If y'all aren't already on board, we're holding around $11. If we end up pulling back down to around $10.40 or so, I'd call another buy point there as long as you can see us, still to the upside here on the 5-minute chart. You know how we look for the 2 candles to close above the VWAP, not on the VWAP, but above the VWAP, and that can give you an indication of a buy signal there if we're looking to continue to push up. Just look for a pullback, y'all. Usually testing the VWAP here on the 5-minute if we end up coming back down, but that'll be a good place to probably jump in there. But we're feeling good. We're looking to ride this one up. Real excited today, and hopefully we can get some money today in y'all's pocket, y'all. But stock number 2, we have Clov Health. This one started pumping yesterday, y'all. CLOV. We've talked about this one before. It's another short squeeze candidate, with a high short interest on this stock. And as you can see, we have a high not that long ago of about $20, $21, if you can see on the weekly here. But on the daily, as you can see, yesterday we broke out of that 200-day EMA. And today we're looking to, pile up above that. We're already hitting a resistance level right here. I believe it's around like 11:30 or so. Let me kind of zoom in here on the 30-minute. Well, 11:13 is what I'm showing here. So if we can crack through 11:13, we're looking to move higher also on here, y'all. So Clov Health, we're also seeing a lot of volume this morning. This one barely started to kick up into the pre-market. Right now it is only, 8:11 as we move into the opening hour of 8:30. About 20 minutes till, but we're still getting a lot of volume. We're almost 4.5 million shares on a daily average of only 29 million. So the volume's starting to come in, just not exactly where we want it. We need some more volume, a little bit more momentum to start squeezing this stock up so we can break through this resistance level here around 11:13, 11:20. We can break above this level and hold, though. We're looking to hit higher, maybe $15 or so. I would call it on the next climb there for that price target. But we're keeping the volume coming in. Clov Health, they had some good earnings not that long ago. Just a lot of short selling pressure that's been in this stock. A lot of them try to hate on the stock here. But with some good news, some buyers, everybody's starting to draw attention into this stock. This could see some higher prices pretty soon here, y'all. So let's keep an eye on Clov. If you aren't already in the know, add it to the watch list, y'all. We're gonna keep an eye on this one, and we're gonna look to trade it if we break through this level here. I mean, even if it comes down, just so y'all know, we're looking to come down. If it does, $10, $9.90, I think this would be a good level or so, $9.84. So we can come all the way back down here. This may be a good level to pick up some shares. If not, we're looking to break above this level. And if we can close above this level on the 30-minute, I'll probably be looking to maybe take it up higher. But stock number 3 is Zev. This is a new one we picked up. I have did a analysis on this a few weeks back. We've seen some movement, but this is another short squeeze candidate here, y'all. This is one that they're publishing in articles already. There's already some sellers on position here, and we're hitting levels where they're trying to push us down. I got the weekly drawn, as you can already see. From that high of about $17 here in the past, and we're squeezing back down. Looking into the daily, we've been hitting those levels here on the shorter term there. And right now we're breaking through that 200-day EMA. See, we've been trying to squeeze through there, but as soon as we break, we're looking to break up. And we'll be testing this $12 mark soon, give or take. I mean, we'll probably be seeing some resistance here around that $10 mark, $10.45, $10.50. But if we can break through that, we're looking to hit 12. Right now, it's a fair value. We like to trade on stocks under $10. I have fun with a lot of these stocks. I'm able to pile up on more shares instead of only minimizing my holdings. Grabbing a $20, $50 share, you can only grab so many unless you're playing options. But me myself, I like to hold the stock. Some of these I'll hold long term. Some of them I'll just trade in and out. But that's just my strategy, and it works for me. But Zev, we're looking, to make some money on Zev. I really feel like this breakout is going to be coming soon. If not today, though, it'll be coming soon. We don't always know this is a guarantee or not, but just from how the charts are forming, I feel like they're looking real healthy. So you can see we're slowly starting to trend up on the 30-minute. We have a high recently of $10.50. We're already down to a low of $9. I think that's a good upside right there. We're holding on that 200-day. We can hold. We're bouncing. Doop, doop, doop. Pick up those shares there and let's ride it up. That's already $1.50 on that. So if you can make $1.50 on your share, that's still a good win. And we're looking to still break through these levels. You know what I'm saying? If we can break through this level, we'll be looking to hit that $12 mark. But if y'all looking to trade this share here, this stock here, y'all, $9 or so would be a good buy point here. And let's just look for that to close above the 5-minute if you are looking to get in. But Zev, Lightning E-Motors, they just had an article also released recently about they're, starting to manufacture, or they're into an agreement deal with manufacturing electric school buses. So schools are everywhere, all over the world. These are things that are probably going to be new to the game, and maybe a game changer for those, that aren't already doing something like that. But this is what I'm looking to trade here soon. We're just looking for the right moment to get in. But I'm just kind of calling it out, pointing it out, letting y'all know this is what I'm watching. So when it hits those levels and it starts to show that pop, just don't say I didn't call it, y'all. So just get in the know if you're looking for something to trade. We're looking at a $3 to $4, potential upside increase there. But it can come and go at any time. So just play it smart, know your in and outs if you are looking to trade on this one, y'all. Stock number 4, we have CEI, Camber Energy. Now, I'm not necessarily trading this one. I've kind of been iffy because it's under $1, but this one's been pumping, man. It's kind of doubled up in value since I kind of was watching it, a few days back. We were at a low about like 49 cents, 50 cents, and we broke up, and then we kind of moved sideways. We hit that, I got that trend line drawn, but it's kind of right in the 50-day moving average also, but it's bouncing, comes back down, bounces, and then we're testing it right now. Can we break up higher? Is it possible? Maybe. You might want to look into the RSI, the MACD, if you want to get a better indication of what the stock may do as far as its next move. We have that high of $100.03 that it hit yesterday in the opening market. Will we test these levels again? We never know. Right now we're moving sideways. Looking into the 4-hour though, it's going to look more long term. We do got that red candle forming. A little bit of downward pressure here, so we may come back down actually and test this level possibly before we move higher. That's probably what I would wait on before I really trade this stock here. I just don't feel too comfortable with these little penny stocks, but I'm sure a lot of interest is in this. If y'all are looking, this is a cheaper stock to trade. For those of y'all that are trading it, just be aware that we may move up, but we can also turn to the downside, come all the way back down to about 80 cents there. So I know we've had a good run. We've doubled up in value literally over the last few days. Is it time for a breather? Possibly, y'all. But if you're looking to trade it, maybe you see that pullback breaking below 90, I would probably look to take out my position and buy back in around 80 cents or so. You can buy in at 80 to 79 cents. You can ride it all the way back up to $1.03, and that's a good win for me. So that's kind of the way I'm looking to play this one. But I just kind of wanted to put y'all in the know because we are seeing a lot of volume. It's been consistent over the last few days. Right now we're at 5 million shares on a daily average of 48 million. Still not as much as we've been getting, but it can build up pretty fast here, but it can also build up on the sell side. So just keep an eye on this one, y'all. CEI, if you're looking to trade it, I would probably wait for it to buy in once it comes back down. If you're already in, just watch for that pullback here, breaking below 90, because then it could come all the way back down. So you may want to take some of those profits if you've already been riding that stock out there. But the last stock of the day that I wanted to cover, this is a new one that I've also picked up. That's going to be ATIF. This is another short squeeze candidate. You know how I like to play on these short squeeze trades here. A lot of upside potential if you get in at the right time. So we always want to get in on the low before all the attention draws in, y'all. That's the strategy here. We have a high recently of 565 on the 30-minute. We're already hitting that level right now. We kind of tested it yesterday morning, and we've pulled back, tested a low, and we're already coming back up, testing it again here. Checking out the daily, I got the weekly also drawn, as you can see here. $25. We have a weekly high back in 19 of April, 25.50, and we're following it all the way down, highs to highs to highs to highs, all the way down. And as you can see, I got the other daily also drawing just to give me 2 indicators on which one I may follow. But we're testing these levels, and we've been trending up over the last several days. And every day we're, higher and higher, higher highs and higher lows, y'all. So this is looking good. It's looking real healthy. Is today the day to break out? I'm not sure. But it's at a good fair value, y'all. Maybe look for the market to open. If we can pull back lower, maybe 440. I'm not sure if it'll come all the way back down to the 7-day moving average. But that's kind of a key level. If we break up above, you know, $5 or so, that may be another key level where you can ride that up at least, you know, make a 50 to 60 cent profit or win on those shares before you may see some resistance. But it can go either way, y'all. Just play it smart, know your in and outs. But this one in the long run, I'm looking to trade and looking to test these highs again soon. You know, we can break through this level. We're looking to at least come up to about $7, give or take. So that's kind of the way I'm looking to play it. Just when are we getting in? 450, 475. We're already 25% off where we closed yesterday, so we're already still rising here. We're riding along this level. So ATF added to the watch list, y'all. These ones are gonna be popping soon. I can feel it. I can feel it. But this is the 5 stocks of the day that we're watching, y'all. And if y'all want to trade live, you know I got the Discord going. We're in there chatting live. We're trading live. We're making money. We're making it happen. We're putting money in people's pockets. This is what we do. We can, you know, use some more members. We're trying to build the channel here. But if you know these charts are doing you justice, if this technical analysis is working for you on how we strategize these trades, hit that thumbs up, y'all. Show the channel some love here, and I'm gonna keep these videos coming. But appreciate everybody tuning in this morning. I'm going to look to drop another video later this afternoon, closer to the closing bell, and we'll catch up then just to see exactly where some of our faves left off for the day. But we'll talk with y'all then, y'all, and good trading to y'all today. Have a good one. Peace out.